Hello everybody, Houston here. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night. And before jumping to the charts, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe as well. And let's do it. Okay, so first things first, the bigger picture as always. Let's take a look on volume. So we still have raging volume. This is great. Let's take a look on the OBV as well. What is OBV? Okay, so we don't have enough data. Actually, I don't like this word because scammers are using this word. But yeah, it would be nice if we have more. But yeah. But the fact is, I strongly believe we had a bullish divergence here. But at this point, it is not a big deal. Okay, but we must look at everything. Just a second. Okay, so before jumping to the current price, a thing that we have to acknowledge here, which is very important, is this. First thing, just a second. Oops. Okay, so the first thing here, folks, is this. Kava is doing great since first March 1st. Okay, so which make it March, April, May, June, July, August. So it's 6 months straight going up. And the thing is, we can say this is a bull run. Yes, it is. And so we went from, take a look here, second. So we went from 24 cents all the way to 5.53, which is a big run. Okay, so this is nothing, small move. So it's big, 2,200%. Yes, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, all the way bullish. But now we also have to acknowledge what the energy, the momentum, because again, that this is half a year that we are going up. Okay, and we understand that things need such moves need what? Money and momentum. Okay, and so when these things start to fade away or lose strength, that's the time of a relief. Okay, before later continuation, because this is a bullish trend. Okay, so even if we go down right now, it's not going to change the trend. Okay, and yeah, you guys know the drill. I don't expect for moon and such things, but yeah, excuse me. And so again, this is our move. 6 months, incredible, right? But let's take a look on the candles now. We had a lot of traction here because we had multiple inside bars and inside the trade here. We talked about back in the day. Then this candle was all the way bullish. The second one was bullish as well, but then we had all this rejection, which is a sign of people taking profits. Okay, and so as time goes, people continue taking profits. We have more rejection here, perhaps 30% or maybe 25%. Not a big deal so far, but we have a key level, actually 2 key levels right here that are very key to understand how this is going to play out. Okay, so as you guys can see, the first wave was on $3, and now the second wave. There is something wrong on TradingView. I have to check this out after. Okay, so yeah, so people took profits on 3 and then on 5, which are the key levels for Kava, and right now we are trading below the previous key level, which is not bullish, of course, but is also not bad so far. Okay, and now we are going to take a look on the weekly chart. Just a second. Okay, so right here, just a moment. Hold on. Okay, so right here we have this this bearish doji, the hammer, and right after we had bearish activity. But so far, we can call out like a bear break or call out a top right now. We can't, not now, because we don't have proper evidence. Okay, because for example, they can continue their move before going up again. They can, okay? It doesn't mean they are going to make it. And remember, again, folks, this is a straight move up all the way. And we basically didn't had enough space for a proper and healthy correction. Okay, so it's very aggressive, and at some point it is going to face a strong correction for sure, no doubt about it. The question is when, and so far we don't have any evidence for such. Okay, let's jump into the 3 days. Okay, so as you guys can see, in the last attempt the same thing happened. Make the trigger, they bought the previous one, no news, and so far we still have indecision here. Okay, which favors the bulls, but again, remember, the bulls are in control, but this is a moment of indecision, and we had multiple bearish candles in a row. So this can be the bears like testing the bulls, and if they are willing to keep buying at these levels. Okay, so this is it's a dangerous move. Okay, be vigilant, stay alert, because they are testing, and this is this usually this happens before a big attack. Okay. Okay, we had a similar example here. We had this indecision candle, then the first attack, and then the other ones. But these moves right here was somewhat noob moves. Okay, not smart money move. It's like shorting, selling the support. Okay, and smart bulls were waiting right there. Let's take a look on the daily. Not clear, 4 hours. Okay, so here we have a signs of a possible head and shoulders. There is symmetry, there is logic, there is so here the bears tried the same thing, and they lost it right here. This turned it out to a bullish continuation pattern. So this was a big bear trap. Perhaps this is one of the reasons they are pissed off. Just a second. There is something very wrong for my trading view. Second. Yeah, so again, this was a big bear trap, and perhaps this is the reason they are so pissed off right now. Here it's clear that they were looking for a confluence for a head and shoulder scenario, and it's 67% complete. So we have odds here, but we still need more evidence to see how this one is going to play out. Second. So this kind of behavior so far on this range, so I'm only addressing this one here, okay? We are not talking about the left shoulder and the head, but they are not 100% bearish, okay? Because what's going to matter now if the bulls are willing to keep pushing, okay? Because we have let me take a better look here. Second. Okay, so we have volatility kicking in and a possible scenario for a bullish move, another one. They have the odds in their favor, but again, they will have to make a big move in order to play this one out. What they needed is something around this level right here, 5 and 14, because they made it their point by reaching 5 2 times. And the bad point is that they lost the hand on the second one. The plan here was to close above and then make a closer move near the border. Okay, so they would need less money and less steam to pop and stay up above the 5 again. So further down they go, more money, time they will need it. Yes, so here on the 4 hours, yeah. So support and resistance traders, they acknowledge this level, the one we talked about for the head and shoulders, and they are even the ones above, especially for the ones that use the square. So this is the scenario that they are acknowledging. Yeah. So the ones who drew first blood, and now the late ones, and perhaps we are going to see some bullish activity here that is going to say if it will be bullish or bearish. Okay, so we need more time and more evidence before calling this out. If this turn out to be clear, I will make another video update to tell you guys. Okay, so for now this is it, guys. I hope this analysis help you out, and the way you read the charts or you make your stuff, you know. And yeah, thanks for your time, thanks for your support as well, and I will see you guys soon. See ya.